Now this is a young adult and children's classical reading book app that is available both on mobile as well as on desktop via laptop. Now, just to give you an idea, this is a beta. So the mobile is where a lot of the testing is happening right now. So any feedback for those of you who decide to use mobile that you can give is great. That would be very helpful. Same thing goes for those who are on laptop, desktop. Anything that you can see that maybe could be improved or you're having a problem with, please let me know. Now, in order to get started and to actually get access to the books and save your progress, you do need to have a Google account. That's how we sign in. The idea is that the student won't have to restart whenever they go in. They'll have access to the books. They can look up the books, the classical books such as, Little Women by 𝗬𝗵𝗲𝗃𝗧𝗃, Grimm Fairy Tales is actually one of my favorites. Great. Now, as you can see, this is the dashboard where you have, the student will have streaks, the number of sentences read, and then there are badges that come with it depending on how many times they've met their goal and for how long. Now, the stories I have here are the Grimm's Fairy Tales, Winnie the Pooh, and the Wind in the Willows. Those are just 3 that I have chosen. However, if you do choose to, here's how you go ahead and you actually find a book that you want. You choose between something short and simple, regular chapter, or big challenge books. Now, when you choose, for example, short and simple, you'll be presented with the list of books. Great. Now, as you can see here, we have Treasure Island, The Wonderful Wizard of Oz, Little Women, Bleak House by Charles Dickens, Through the Looking Glass, Jungle Book, Aesop's Fables, The Secret Garden. There's a long list of books here that are available of short, simple stories that children can enjoy. The same thing can be said for the other levels as well. So let's go back into the original section. And as you can see here, for example, the Grimm Fairy Tales. Now up here you'll see 3 modes. You'll have Read With Me and I'll Read, which are grayed out, and I'll explain that in a minute. And you'll have Read With Me. Read With Me is where all students start. They have to actually read 5 or more sentences in order to unlock the I'll Read and the Read To Me sections. So in order to activate that, we click on this button. And what you'll hear is a voice. You'll see the arrow here telling
then repeat after me. The golden feather was brought to the king in the morning, and all the council was called together. Now you try.
The golden feather was brought to the king in the morning, and all the council was called together. Now, what's happening is that the voice is reading the line first, and then it'll say, now you try, to the student. So then the student gets a chance to read, and every word starts with this. Great. Now, as I continue to read, it'll show that I have 3 more sentences to go before everything is unlocked. And if anything seems to be stuck, what you can do is that you can actually press on the word, and the voice will pronounce that word. For example, if I press on the word kingdom, it will basically tell the student or help the student pronounce that word. So he shot his arrow at the fox, but he missed it, and it set up its tail above its back and ran into the wood. Once the 5 sentences are done, you get this, and all modes are unlocked, and then you have the option to continue with Read With Me, or move to the student reading solo at the guidance of the AI, or the person or the AI voice will read to the student. And as you can see here, I started out with 19 out of 20 for the goal, and now my goal is 24 out of 20. Depending on how many stories the student has in the continuing reading section, that will go from maybe 5 to 10 to 20 or so.